Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Sunday night stand-up meeting. Come on in. Yeah, you can close the door. That'd be great. Okay, so let's give a quick recap of the week, and I will talk about what I've got on deck for the next week. Okay, so first off, my team had some awesome meetings this week. We're trying to get the winter term phase of demo development underway. We had some meetings where we set up our next sprint targets for demo development. We really did some very critical big picture planning this week, which was super fun. Look at this amazing teamwork. Wow. This week was big for demo development for me. So I'm working on some code that simulates an Arduino Uno board. It runs at the opcode level, so it takes in machine code and will spit out actual pin signals like an Arduino board would. It's so cool. But really what I'm doing is just translating someone else's library into C++. Over winter break, I got it working in a vacuum, and this week I implemented some creative techniques to get the simulation to run close-ish to real time. Not me literally just sleeping the system for 62 nanoseconds every time the CPU cycles incorrect. Like I said, very professional techniques going on here. I also created an outline for version 1 of the business plan for Robot Underground that I will use to get feedback on possible business models from people. So version 1 is really just about showing a couple different possible paths, and then I can take that to some experts and hopefully get some feedback on the pros and cons of different business models, like, more some options in the nonprofit direction versus the for-profit direction, and what each of those would look like different team sizes, that kind of thing. So it was a great week this week, and then in terms of what the next week holds, my next sprint targets, first up, I need to take this Arduino simulation library that I have working in a vacuum and integrate it into the Unreal Engine, which we're using to build the demo. And I need to run some tests to make sure it actually runs in Unreal the way I think it's going to. And then I also want to fill out the business plan outline this week and get it set up to actually take to some peeps. Hopefully when we get to that point, I can actually take you on the road for some of those conversations. That'd be really fun. But yeah, so this week we're just kind of grinding it out. I really want to get over some major hurdles before all of the homework starts rolling in. Yeah, I'll check in later, bring some serious energy into this week. Okay, we got this. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks, y'all. Nighty night. Shh. Go to sleep.